Hello, hi everyone. This is Bethany Reyes. I am the owner of Hello True Beauty, which is all about inspiring women to believe in their true beauty. You probably just hopped on, you saw my live previously. We were talking about concealer. Well, now we're going to talk about teeth. Some people have asked me, Bethany, how do you get your teeth so white? Well, you guys, I'm excited because I just got this new whitening kit in the mail about a week ago. This is it. It's from Banana White, and I'm going to show you guys how this kit works. And I have a really great deal for you guys. Do you want some free toothpaste? You want some free whitening toothpaste? Yeah, girl. You better stick around, okay? All right, so this is from Banana White. It is a whitening kit. It actually is like a dentist professional whitening. Okay, so this is no joke. It's not like, oh, this might work for you. It is like legit. Oh, did I forget the, hold on a second. I forgot the whitening part. I got it. I just wanted to create suspense, you know, that's really what I wanted to do. Okay, so this is the mouthpiece that comes with it, and on the bottom you get 3 different whitening applicator gels. Okay, so each of these you get 10 uses out of them, so that's like 30 applications. And this also comes separately, so if you need to like basically restock on it, you can definitely do that without having to buy the whole kit again. And they also send you this so you can see how white or yellow your teeth are. Okay, like we all want this, right? We all want number 1. Give me number 1. So I'm between like, hold on, which one number do you think I'm? 3 or 4? Which one do you think I am? 3 or 4? I don't know, you tell me. Okay, so how it works is you're gonna do this treatment 3 to 5 days in a row until it gets to the whiteness that you want it to be, and then you only need to do it like once a week or twice a week just to keep your teeth white, because no matter what, your teeth are gonna naturally get darker, especially for those of us that love to drink coffee and all that jazz. Okay, hi Lynette, hey Courtney, hey Caitlin. So this was actually on my Christmas list and so I'm excited that I got this. Victor actually wanted this too. They have one that comes in black if you want to get something for your significant other. And like I said, I have a great deal for you to get some free toothpaste. Just keep on watching. So this, I'm going to show you how the process works. You're going to get your gel, okay, and you're going to twist this, all right, and then you're going to coat your teeth with the gel right here. Just like that. Really attractive. Okay? So you're gonna cut your teeth. I don't really do the back teeth because you're not gonna see those. Alright. So cut top and bottom with the gel. Crystal gel. Alright. And then once you look really sexy, then you're gonna add in your light. On. Hey Jessica. Alright, so here we go. This is how it works. It's not working unless you talk or lisp. I use Sensodyne toothpaste and this has not hurt me at all. Okay, so the first light, hold on. The first light is for whitening. The second light is for bacteria and it's going to kill germs. So first light, and this is about 15 minutes. Just like this. Really simple. Alright. So I'm gonna just take this off because I'm not gonna have you guys watch me like have my mouth full of it. Alright. So you do that for 15 minutes, the blue light, and then it'll turn off. And then you go in with this light, which is the red light, and that's going to help kill bacteria and germs. And Jessica can tell you more of what the red light does, but basically it's going to help you have a healthier mouth. I personally like the red light because it looks like hot pink, and hot pink is my favorite color. So it's like, hey, So blue light, whitening, red light, germs. Okay, Bethany's actually using our exclusive kit for sensitivity. The red light technology reduces inflammation, sensitivity, and bacteria. Boom. Okay, so this is how you're gonna get a really great deal on this. The kit, you get 50% off, but for those of you guys that are watching live, let me see what the code is. You're gonna get this free foam teeth whitening. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use this too. So the code for that is True Beauty Foam. So they'll give you 50% off the kit plus the toothpaste for free, which is so cool, right? So let me show you how this works too. Ask questions about the whitening system because I'm still going to talk about that. But this is such a great deal. Not only could you get this for yourself, but get it for someone else for Christmas. So if you want maybe the teeth whitening system for you, then you can get this for free and throw it as like a stocking stuffer for someone else. True Beauty Foam, there we go, all caps, okay? Make sure you use all caps. To purchase any whitening kit for only $99. What? And the free whitening foam. So, it's $99. Okay, so this is a foam. Hold on a second. I don't want to get it all over the place. Okay. So I'm just going to use this just. I never thought I was going to brush my teeth live. Alright. There's the foam. Okay. I know, that's kind of funny. But that's basically what you do with the foam. You just brush your teeth with it. If I'm doing this wrong, Banana White can tell me, but it's pretty much simple. It says, dispense onto the toothbrush, brush 2 to 3 minutes. For best results, spit out the foam and wait 15 minutes to eat or drink. And the same thing goes for the whitening kit. So after you do this, it's best to wait like 30 minutes before you eat or drink, just so that it really works and does its magic. But this kit will last you a really long time. And then once you're ready for a refill, you can just buy these separately. You don't have to buy the whole kit again. You can keep your kit. It also has like a charger right here, charging station. So you charge it, and whenever you need a refill, just grab this. I know. They're probably like, girl, that is so nasty. Why are you brushing your teeth live? Okay, so what other questions do you have about the whitening system? Like I said, you want to do this about 3 to 5 days in a row so that you can really get like how white you want them to look. My teeth look pretty white right now. I've done 3 of these so far. I do plan on doing a few more of this just to get it super white. How do you clean it? Oh, that's a good question. I do not know. Do you just clean it under water? I would think you just can clean it with water and soap. And Chantel wants to know, can you get it in Canada? Angie, this is $99 for the kit, and they'll throw in the free whitening foam toothpaste. So you get this for free with the kit, and the kit comes with the 3 gel pens as well. $99, so it's 50% off plus the free thing. Okay, so currently we only ship to the United States. Good to know. And then yes, I believe you just wash it. You can wash it with just water and soap. So this is what it looks like. It creates like super cute pictures too. You feel like really cool doing it. Now, here's the thing, you guys. I have always wanted to whiten my teeth, but whenever I talked to my doctor about it or my dentist about it, it just seemed like so much money, like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And I wanted my teeth to be whiter, but I didn't want to spend that much. And then when we were in El Salvador, we tried out like this whitening system. So basically it was something that you could put on your mouth, and I tried it, and it was supposed to be like a week worth of each day you put it on. The first day I tried it, my teeth were hurting so bad and they were so sensitive. And I was like, I told Victor, like, my teeth, it's not worth it to have white teeth if it's going to be this painful. And so when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh, I hope this doesn't hurt my teeth, because we use Sensodyne as our toothpaste. And so when I used this the first time, Victor was like, did it hurt? did it hurt you? I'm like, no, it didn't hurt, because I want white teeth, but I don't want to be in pain and I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars. So the kit is $99. You get a free toothpaste with it. Thank you, Angie. No, this is not a MLM. This is just a company I'm an affiliate for. We're collaborating together. And so, yeah, they have a coupon code for all of my followers that want to get. Okay, so Nilda, you leave this in your mouth for 15 minutes with the blue light, okay? 15 minutes. And then the red light is 10 minutes. And this is for the inflammation, the germs, all that. So I'm not sure if you should do one without the other. It obviously works best if you do the whole thing together. But like I said, the first part is the whitening. The second part is more for the inflammation and bacteria. Okay, so Banana White said you can rinse off the mouthpiece with warm water. The red light technology actually reduces bacteria on the mouthpiece itself, in addition to reducing the bacteria on your teeth and gums. So basically, using the red light will help with the whole cleaning of the product as well as cleaning your teeth. Hi, Crystal. Hey, Dina. Hey, Megan. Okay, so like I said, you can get this. Regular price is $200. You can get it for $99, 50% off, plus the free toothpaste with the code True Beauty Foam, all caps. Yes, True Beauty Foam, all caps. It doesn't take a battery. It charges. So it has like a magnetic charger. You just plug it in. You can plug it in overnight. It just charges and you're good to go. So I'm not very good with batteries, you guys. I'm always like, can't find them. So I love that this is not like battery operated, but it has an actual charger to it. Awesome. So the website is bananawhite.com, and you have to do all caps to get the discount. True Beauty Foam. So that will give you the 50% off the kit and the free toothpaste with it, okay? So check it out, you guys. I'll make sure to put the link above as well with the code if you don't know it. I think Banana White might comment again, or let me just pin their comment, what they did earlier with the link. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and pin that. Okay, so that's it. bananawhiteteeth.com, code True Beauty Foam. How long does the charge last? So I used it 3 times and then I needed to charge it. So, but I didn't charge it when I first got it. So I got 3 uses out of it, which is pretty good. All right, you guys, that's it. That's my teeth whitening set. Go to bananawhiteteeth.com. See? I was right. 3. Go to bananawhiteteeth.com and get yours. This is a great Christmas gift for yourself, or for that person in your life that you're like, I don't know what to get. Like Victor legit wanted this for Christmas. So go run, grab yours. Like I said, the extra free thing, this is not like going on forever, just today. So make sure that you go and grab that today, okay? Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.